EzBizPortal simplifies hospital outsourcing of medical device repairs and updates by facilitating on-site pickups or direct shipping to the nearest available vendor. This reduces paperwork, enhances communication, and minimizes equipment downtime. Vendors can streamline their operations with our employee portal, offering a comprehensive overview of their orders, finances, and inventory. They can process hospital equipment, automatically generating work orders and guiding biotechnicians through the repair process, ensuring that all the details are recorded to manufacturer specifications, meeting the guidelines set by the Joint Commission and the FDA. It simplifies interactions, quoting, and logistics, all within a single application. Hospitals have a dedicated portal for viewing their records like recertification sheets, 510(k) documents, lifetime repair cost, security updates, and order statuses from all of the vendors using our platform. It even alerts them for upcoming maintenance, prompting them to schedule timely equipment servicing.